Hi folks, welcome back. Now it's time to take a look at the architecture of Azure AI Agent Service. And the first thing you guys will notice is the presence of Azure AI Foundry. So remember, the agent service is actually part of the Foundry, right? So when you actually look at the agent service, it actually comes under the umbrella of the Azure AI Foundry. Now, even when you go to your portal, you'll see that when you go to the project inside the Foundry, from there you'd be able to access your agents. Now, we'll start from left to right and we'll try and look at all these features. The first one is built-in enterprise readiness. So Microsoft has cleverly designed it for the enterprises because they understand that this is the need for the enterprises or the companies today, right? So the first one being where you say BYO. BYO stands for bring your own. So we say bring your own file storage, where you're giving the capability to allow the organizations to use their existing data storage solutions. Then we talk about the bring your own search index, where enterprises can integrate their own search index for customized search experiences. Then we have a concept of OBO, which we say on behalf of, right? So on behalf of is called OBO, which is on behalf of authorization support. So on behalf of authorization allows the secure delegated access. So you're delegating your access on behalf of, and we have the enhanced observability, so which provides monitoring and analytics capabilities for better insights into system performance and usage. Then we come in the middle part, which talks about the extensive ecosystem of tools, right? Now we discussed the assistance API tools like code interpreter, function calling. Now what Microsoft has done is they have given you a plethora of tools which gives the power to the agents, and they have categorized into knowledge tools and also action ones, right? And so what are these knowledge tools, right? So basically think about it, you are giving the knowledge services to your agent. The first one being Microsoft Fabric, which is a unified data platform for analytics and AI, right? Microsoft Fabric, it's pretty new. Then we talk about SharePoint. I think most of you guys already are aware of SharePoint. So it provides integration with Microsoft SharePoint for accessing enterprise content, because a lot of enterprises, they used to keep their content on SharePoint or Confluence these days. Then as we have Google, so for web searching, Microsoft has got Bing, and they have allowed the integration of agents with Bing search. So you can ground with the Bing search, and we will have demos on this as well. Then very important, Azure AI Search, right? That's another service. It's a cloud search service for indexing and retrieving data. So you get a seamless integration of Azure AI Search with your Azure AI agents. A new thing that they have done is about the licensed data. So a lot of organizations have got their own licensed version of the data. Like they have initially gone with TripAdvisor. If you see the logo, so this is TripAdvisor's logo. So in the coming days, weeks, months, you'll see many companies would be integrating with this. So what we are doing is here you are enabling the organizations to use the proprietary data sources. Then we have files. So you have the capability to search in the files, your Azure blobs, which supports data retrieval from the local or cloud-based file storage. Then file search, I think you might have already studied, is part of the assistance API given by OpenAI, where if you say upload a file, so you can actually query against that file, right? So that is the concept of file search, which is where you can do search queries, hybrid search against that. Then we have code interpreter, again a part of the tools provided by OpenAI, where you can actually execute the code for data analysis and automation. Again, you'll see a lot of demos on code interpreter where we will give the data and we will ask the Azure OpenAI or our agent to actually create nice graphs for us, and that is all possible through code interpreter. Then we talk about certain actions, right? These are the knowledge base, what knowledge you are giving your agent. Then actions talk about what action you want the agent to perform. So now they have integrated with Azure Logic Apps, right? With Azure Logic Apps, it enables workflow automation and process integration. They say that Microsoft has around 1400 plus integrations with Logic Apps, right? And you can talk to, let's say, Microsoft Teams. You can go with products like Dynamics 365, Microsoft 365 Excel, and App Service, the Azure App Service. So all these integrations are also possible with Azure Logic Apps. Then very important is the OpenAI 3.0 specified tools. Now, let's say if you have got APIs, your in-house APIs that support or follow the OpenAI 3.0 spec for interoperability, then you can always integrate with your agents. And then we also talk about the Azure Functions, which provides serverless computing for running event-driven applications. And then here we come to the right side, which is the model catalog. Now, the good thing about model catalog is it is not only OpenAI or not only GPT models. The other models are also available, and these are the new partners. Right. So the new partners that Microsoft has gone with are Meta, which provides the Llama model. Then we have the Mistral, and we have the Cohere models. So you can see that we have got Azure OpenAI, right? We have got Azure OpenAI, which provides access to advanced OpenAI models such as GPT 4.0, 4.0 mini, and O1, O3 models, whatever latest OpenAI is working on. And then the second part is a model as a service, right? Here you talk about multiple third-party AI models like Llama from Meta's large language models, Mistral, which is Mistral's AI advanced model, and Cohere Command R+, which is Cohere's AI model for natural language tasks. So to summarize, the Azure AI Foundry or agent service enables enterprises to integrate AI-powered agents with secure storage, search, and processing capabilities. It offers a broad tool ecosystem, enterprise-ready features, and access to the top AI models, making it a powerful solution for AI-driven automation and decision-making. Thanks for watching.